Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing for you and it's another October subscription box and it is Asos and it's in collaboration with Pixi. So as always, if you're new to Asos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you're curious in just seeing what I received in this month's Asos box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Asos have been doing these monthly beauty boxes now for probably around 2 years. I absolutely love them. So there's no subscription, you just go onto their website. They tell you exactly the contents in the description. So if it's a box for you, you buy it. If not, you don't have to. They bring them out around the 1st of every month and they tend to sell out super fast. Last month's box sold out in 2 days and previous boxes have sold out within a day. So if you've got your eye on these boxes, you need to get in there quick, super quick. As soon as I find out that Asos have released their boxes online, I always take a screenshot and I tell everyone on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek. So then you get a chance then to get on there straight away if it's a box that takes your fancy. So the cost of the boxes vary. Now, generally month to month, the boxes cost £12 a month. But with these collaboration boxes, like in the past, we've had a Bobbi Brown, we've had Clinique, and now we've got Pixi. These cost £15. I think shipping is free if you spend over £30 on Asos, but otherwise you pay £3 shipping. Or you can do what I do and pay, I think it's £9.99 for a year of free next day delivery. And because I get these boxes every single month, it's definitely worth it for me. So if you shop regularly on Asos or if you're thinking about getting these boxes regularly, then it's definitely worth thinking about paying the £10 up front so that you can have free next day delivery for the whole year. So inside the boxes there's no information about the products as such, so I'll be seeking them out online and I'll pop them down in the description and all links related to this box as well. Underneath this video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up the description and all links and all information about the contents will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything, I'll pop it down below, but let's open it up and see what's inside. I haven't opened it up yet. So that's what it looks like there, and inside every box we get a little card and I'll read this out to you. The latest Asos box contains 5 beauty products by Pixi Beauty, the cult London-born brand famous for its innovative makeup, glow-enhancing skincare and iconic tonics. First up is the Pixi Rose Flash Balm, a multitasking balm that can be used as a revitalizing mask or primer to instantly brighten up your complexion. Next, you've got the Pixie Lip Lift Max, a peptide infused lip plumper that gives you a glossy finish while also hydrating your lips. And for a slick of makeup, there's the Endless Silky Eye Pen. No smudge, no budge, just a long wearing eyeliner that glides on seamlessly. Last but not least, get ready to discover 2 of Pixi's tonics for different skin types. The Rose Tonic, a calming rose hydrosol based toner that hydrates your skin and can be used morning and night after cleansing. And the Glow Tonic with 5% glycolic acid, which can be either used in the morning or night when your skin is in need of a deeper cleanse. So those are the products there. The box is looking quite empty. I think it's because we got a full-size item here and the rest are smaller. So the first item is a full-size Pixi Rose Tonic and it's Rose and Elderflower Nourishing Toner and this is 250 ml. Hopefully you can see there, the ring light won't annoy you too much. So it says naturally soothing and rich in nutrients, this tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimise redness and calm skin, rehydrates, replenishes and refreshes. Suitable for even the most sensitive skin types, alcohol free, use AM and PM after cleansing. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got another tonic. And this is the Glow Tonic, but this is a smaller version. This is super small. Now I've had this one before. I've never had one this tiny. That is so cute. It is tiny though. It is 15 ml there. So that's what it looks like there. And it's Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner and it contains 5% glycolic acid. And it says on the back, gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types. Alcohol free, and it says use AM and PM or as needed after cleansing. Apply with a cotton pad, avoiding eye area. So there's that one there. Then we've got a Rose Flash Balm and this is an instant skin booster. And we've got 15 ml. I haven't tried this or seen this actually. This hydrating radiance booster balm wakes up lackluster fatigued skin in a flash for all skin types. Use AM or PM or as needed. To use as a treatment primer, apply a thin layer to face and neck after cleansing. Do not rub. Follow with foundation if desired. To use as a mask, apply a thick layer and leave on for 5 minutes 2 to 3 times a week. Oh my gosh, that sounds lovely. Let's try a little bit on my hand. No, I'm not that keen on rose smelling things, so I hope it's not a strong smell. But we'll see. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It is quite of a rosy smell, I'm not going to lie. But it's more like a sweet rose, if that makes sense. So yeah, so we've got a rose flash balm. Next we got a Endless Silky Eye Pen. This is in black. That is super pigmented. Really, really pigmented. That would be a perfect eyeliner for smudging, particularly like underneath or on top to smudge out. So there's that. So we have got a Peptide Infused Lip Plumper, and this is in shade Sheer Rose. And that's the outer packaging. I can really smell like a minty smell. That's quite strong. Oh, that's nice. Well, the smell is anyway. I don't know what it's like on my lips, but that's the shade there. So it's more like a lip tint, isn't it? So not a full-on colour, but I think that would be quite nice on the lips. And yeah, so it plumps as well. So there's that. So these are all the products in Asos's, it just sounds wrong, Asos's October beauty box. It's all Pixi products. So if you fancied getting your hands on trying some Pixi beauty, I think for £15, you have got a great saving here. Really, really good saving. And you've got some nice products. We've got a plumping lipstick. We've got a brightening facial toner for all skin types. We've got a more exfoliating type facial toner there. And we've got a black eye pencil. And we've got like a skin booster. It's a flash balm that is multi-use. So I'm really chuffed with this box. I think it's really, really good value for money. I think Asos have done really well. I said in my last video, I think it was, either that or I was talking to someone about it, that it's about time that Asos brought out a collaboration box because they haven't brought one out for quite a few months. And yeah, we got one this month, so there you go. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you a Pixi fan? Are you going to get this box for yourself, or is this not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So if you enjoyed watching, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.